Okay, OGGers, we're going to try this here. Don't know how well it's going to work, but it said to, sorry about that. It said to get the water, or run the water through the hose for about 30 seconds, then hook it to the machine. Just to make sure that your hose is cleaned out. And then once it's hooked to the machine, just let it kind of fill the stuff up, and then spray it for a while, and make sure it's not spitting and sputtering from air pockets, of which it's not. So that's pretty good. One thing I'm noticing, even when it's off, I'm getting a lot of cold air movement through here whenever I run it. So we're going to go ahead and set it down. We're going to turn the machine on, and we're going to try to get this room cleaned up a little bit. The woman's on her way home, so we ain't got much time. But, you know, it is what it is. And I don't have a lot of room here, like I said earlier. Don't have a lot of room.